Can United States Marines enforce laws as ocean watchmen in international waters? Imagine the vast expanse of the ocean, where the rules of engagement and law enforcement become a complex web of international agreements and national interests. The role of the United States Marines in this context raises intriguing questions about jurisdiction and authority. To understand whether United States Marines can enforce laws as ocean watchmen in international waters, we must first clarify what international waters are. These waters, also known as high seas, are areas of the ocean that are not under the jurisdiction of any single nation. They typically begin 12 nautical miles from a country's coastline, where territorial waters end. The United States Marines, as part of the United States Armed Forces, primarily operate under the authority of the United States government. Their primary mission is to protect national interests and ensure security. However, when it comes to international waters, their ability to enforce laws is limited. The enforcement of laws in these areas is governed by international law, particularly the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Under this convention, nations have the right to navigate freely in international waters, but they also have responsibilities. For instance, while the United States can conduct operations to combat piracy or illegal fishing, these actions often requiring coordination with other nations or international organizations. The United States Marines can participate in operations to enforce laws, but they do so in collaboration with other entities and under specific legal frameworks. Moreover, the United States Coast Guard plays a significant role in maritime law enforcement. They have the authority to board vessels suspected of illegal activities in certain circumstances, particularly when there is a direct threat to the United States or its interests. While the Marines can support these operations, their primary focus remains on defense and combat roles rather than law enforcement in international waters. In summary, while the United States Marines can contribute to law enforcement efforts in international waters, their role is not one of direct enforcement. Instead, they operate within a framework that involves cooperation with other nations and adherence to international law. The complexities of maritime law and the need for collaboration highlight the importance of a multifaceted approach to maintaining order on the high seas.